lesson, we'll work on les adjectifs démonstratifs. So les adjectifs démonstratifs, in English it would be this or these, okay? But then as usual in French, we've got the difference between the masculine, the feminine, and the plural, okay? So we'll see that. So for the masculine form, it will be ce, and then it will be cette, okay? So as usual in French, remember, it can be tricky if a letter, an adjective like that, for instance, is ending, or it could be an article, is ending with a, okay? Just because for some words starting with a vowel or with h plus a vowel, then we will have to modify it, okay? And that's the reason why here we've got cette, okay? But then it's still the masculine form, ce, cette. For the feminine, it will be cette, so only one, cette. And then for the plural form, it will be c'est. Okay, so let's see that again. Ce, or then cette, féminin cette. So you can notice that phonetically these two are pronounced the same way. Okay, cette here and then cette here. And for the plural, c'est. Really open this c'est. Okay, so let's see a few examples now. The first one, so I did take this train. Train is train, okay, so it's masculine. So it starts with T, so no problem. You will put this ce train, okay. It would be translated like this train, ce train. Okay, here you've got ordinateur. So ordinateur, a computer, okay, and it's masculine. Un ordinateur, okay, but if you look carefully, it starts with O, okay, so vowel, and then you will have to take this cette form, so the masculine form, but the one that we'll use with the words that start with vowels, or then H plus voyelle, okay, so cet ordinateur, this computer, cet ordinateur, okay, and then here we've got the word homme, man, okay, but then it starts with H, as in French, H is not pronounced, so the first sound that we hear is O, okay, and then it will follow the same rule. You'll have to use the masculine adjective démonstratif, but this form, cet homme, alright, femme, woman, cette femme, this woman, cette femme, okay, and then the last one, personne, persons, pluriel, ces personnes, okay, so let's repeat them one more time. Ce train, cet ordinateur, cet homme, cette femme, ces personnes.